Hi, everybody, and welcome here to the first module of the course. So really this module is just set up to get you acclimated to the course itself, kind of get in there, see what we're all about in this class, and then just take a couple little surveys. We'll talk more about that here in a minute, and a discussion board post. So really go in, the class introduction, open up the module that you'll see in here. All the modules will go and they'll open up to like a PDF, not a PDF, I'm sorry, a Google Doc, and that will have in here. And that's going to talk about the four main objectives for this module. So the first one when you complete this module is identifying the course policies and the course schedule. Then they'd like you to analyze the student benefits of an online-based learning environment or learning community like you're in right here, and which can also happen in a K-12 environment. I'd like you to go and create a thread in the Blackboard discussion and introduce yourself to your classmates. Who you are, where are you from, what do you teach, why are you here, right? Why are you interested in teaching? All that stuff. You're going to upload an image and all that stuff about you as well. And then lastly, I'd like you to be able to compare and contrast ODE and NETS standards. We'll touch more on this in Module 2 as well, but I really want to make sure you're able to look at the standards, understand the standards, and how you can incorporate them into your specific teaching. But when we look at this, check out the class syllabus, read the class syllabus, read the requirements about, for instance, late work and what happens if you submit URLs that are incorrect. There is a Google syllabus or Google form that is a syllabus quiz that ties directly right into information from the syllabus. So have that open with you while you're actually taking the quiz to be able to answer those questions. And here's a link that takes you to university support services that are offered here at AU that can help you out if you're struggling in any way, or maybe you have some learning shortcomings that you would like to address or need addressed. You can do that there. You have the technology skills survey, which teaches me or shows me a little bit about you and where you are in terms of different technologies we're going to be utilizing here over the course of the next 15 weeks. How do you use that? How do you modify that? How can we use that? So I want to see where you are individually and also on a collective level for the class. And then, as I mentioned, please upload a profile picture and put in information about yourself in the actual discussion board. So welcome to the course, and I'm very excited to have you here. So modules 1 and 2 are due this week. In Module 2, as you'll see, there's nothing required, and I talk more about that in the intro video for Module 2. So welcome to the course again. I'm really excited to have you here. It's a great journey you're about to go on. You're going to learn a ton of really cool stuff that's going to really work for you in a variety of ways and improve your teaching. So if you have any questions at any time, whether it's this module or any module moving forward, please feel free, reach out, shoot me an email, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can and help you in the best way that I can.